For the University of St. Francis, 2020 has been anything but business as usual. We know the same can be said for every one of our students. Our lives have been shaken, our resilience challenged. But in uncertain times, we find ways to keep powering forward. USF is reopening campus, redesigning how people move through the campus, upgrading and changing in-person and online classes, and working with faculty, staff, and students to make USF safer, smarter, and better than ever. Some larger schools have not adapted as well. Other colleges have run into difficulty with quickly created online courses. But at St. Francis, we've been teaching online for decades. We're a nationally ranked, award-winning leader in online learning and teaching. We've added, redesigned, and brought those tools to on-campus classes as well. USF is expanding what and when you can learn with our faculty in small interactive courses. We have solid technology and outstanding teachers who know how to make classes work for learners, no matter where they are. Whether you want a nursing, business, education, science, music, or one of our over 100 degree options, USF can help you succeed and earn your college degree. For 100 years, St. Francis has helped people learn, achieve, and build futures for themselves. We're still here. We're still teaching and learning. We're ready for whatever comes next. Are you? If you want more info, if you have questions or want to join USF this fall, on campus or online, a live admissions advisor is just a click, phone call, or video chat away. Please contact us for more information. We'd love to talk to you. Furthermore, we'd love to have you as a student at St. Francis. Again, on campus or online, we will be there for you.